Hello, how are you? I am back again. Mary has gone for a walk with her daddy, so I thought I would do a tiny bit of YouTube filming. So here I am. Also, can we just talk for a second about my dress? I wear this dress on repeat. I absolutely love it. I love the colours, I love the shape, it's so comfortable. I just wanted to say, hey, look at my dress. Anyway, let's get on to the Glossybox. So this is the September Glossybox. I can't believe it. I cannot believe we're in September. We're moving into spooky season. And yeah, let's have a look what's inside. So this month's box is the classic pink beauty. And just to prove I have not yet opened it, here we are, all packaged up. Ooh, oopsies. Ooh, it's a good box. Okay, I think I'm gonna go best till last, but it's really good. So yeah, let's get in there. Okay, so the first item we have is the Youth Lab Brightening Boom Mask. This is designed to brighten and revitalize, minimize spots, scars, blemishes, and discoloration. So I'm looking forward to that. I haven't tried this before, but yeah, sheet mask, always handy, always welcome. So that is the first thing. And then next up we have a setting spray. This is by Saint Lux, who I haven't heard of before. And this is a 75ml setting spray. I'm gonna mist it on and see what happens. Also, I should probably mention I'm not actually wearing any foundation or face makeup apart from lipstick and eyeliner. So there's not actually anything to set, but I just wanna see how it feels on the skin. There we go. Okay, so there's nothing to actually set, but it does feel really nice on my skin. It feels kind of watery. It smells fresh and it smells pretty. It's not too oily. It's not sticky. It's not hairspray. Yeah, I need to obviously try it with an actual foundation on. But so far, I like it because a lot of setting sprays can be a lot, you know? This doesn't feel like a lot in a good way. It feels refreshing. It feels more like a face mist rather than a setting spray, and I like that feeling. Okay, so the next item is a liquid lipstick by MUA. This is in shade Heroic, and it's a really nice, universal, pretty, kind of really wearable shade. Next up, we have Mud Masking. Now, I've only tried their skincare before, and this is actually hair care. This is a scalp serum. Okay, so it's kind of hair care, kind of skincare, but it's a scalp serum, and it's to help control dandruff. So yeah, and it also helps add volume and anti-hair loss. So I might give that a go because I lose a lot of hair and I don't really have dandruff, but I definitely don't have much volume. So I might give this a go. It's just a little tester. It's 20ml. So that is the next item. Okay, next up we have a little freebie. This is a little extra something that they've popped in. This is a hydration multiplier, and it's yeah, just a kind of a supplement to add into water or a bottle. And yeah, hopefully it will make you more hydrated. So that is the next item, and this is just a little added extra freebie. And then the last item is 100% my favourite. This is a little bit of Elemis. So this is one of their hero products. This is the Dynamic Resurfacing Face Wash. It's in a 30ml tube, which I think is really generous. This alone is probably worth at least 10, 12, maybe even £15. I'm a huge Elemis fan, so I am absolutely thrilled with this. This is by far my favourite item in the box, but I have to say, I think this is a really good box. I like the setting spray. It feels really nice on my face. Love the Elemis. I dropped that. The MUA I'm definitely going to be using. What else did we get? My God, my brain is not good these days. Oh, the sheet mask. Yes, of course I'll be using the sheet mask. I think it's a really good box. That is my unboxing. Maybe you got the same thing. Maybe you got different things. Let me know. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.